Everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Epify. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to hide chats on Telegram. So without getting further delay, let's jump into our video. First of all, open Telegram app. Make sure you have already downloaded Telegram app on your device. If you want to hide a particular chat, then simply swipe left. So your chat is archived. So when you'll scroll down, you'll see archived chats here on topmost. So if you want to hide this particular archived chats, a folder of archived chats, then swipe left twice and you will see there is no archived chats visible. So if you want to get these chats back, then simply scroll down and you will get this archived chats again. If you want to unarchive chats, then simply swipe left and you will see this kind of option. Tap on unarchive in order to unarchive your chats. So in this way you can hide your chats on Telegram. So that is it for today. If you guys like this video, do not forget to like, comment and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.